So what we need to do is we need to get this chainsaw going. We need to get down there and cut some trees so my brother can drag them up here with the tractor. Simple enough, right? Now I want to check all the fuel and fluids. That way I don't have to make another trip up here, because I did get my truck up here, but it's not very fun because it really smacks my mirrors and stuff. Yeah, we need everything. Look how old this thing is. Oil's still good though, I checked it. Ah, shoot. Forgot how thick it was. I've been using motor oil, which works fine. It's not near as good as bar and chain, because with bar and chain, as you can see, super stringy. It's got stuff in it that makes it really sticky, more like grease than oil. I always spill it. Oh, yeah, I spilled it. That should be enough to cut down a few trees. Probably as many as I can get today. Now let's see if this will start for us. And then we'll grab our tools and head down. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, well, let me grab my tools to tighten the chain and stuff. We'll head down there.